You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. At the beginning of the week, global stock markets experienced a downturn amid growing concerns over deflationary trends in China and a slowdown in the U.S. economy. Futures on the S&P 500 and Nasdaq indices fell by 0.5% and 0.6%, respectively. Asian markets showed mixed dynamics. Hong Kong and Taiwan indices declined, while Japan's Nikkei posted a slight gain. China reported the sharpest drop in consumer prices in 13 months in February, further fueling concerns about global economic growth. U.S. President Donald Trump declined to predict whether his tariffs on China, Canada, and Mexico would lead to a recession in the U.S., adding uncertainty to the markets. In the currency markets, the U.S. dollar started the week weaker due to concerns about the labor market and potential global trade wars triggered by Trump's tariff policy. Investors turned to safe haven currencies such as the Japanese yen and Swiss franc, which reached multi-month highs. The yen strengthened by 0.5% to 147 yen per dollar, while the franc reached a 3-month high at 0.87665 per dollar. The euro also rose by 0.3%, supported by significant fiscal reforms in Germany. The dollar index remained near a 4-month low at 103.59. Trump's comments on a possible recession intensified market concerns. The U.S. labor market showed mixed results. 151,000 jobs were added in February, but signs of weakening led to forecasts of further Fed rate cuts. Oil prices fell amid growing uncertainty related to U.S. tariff policies and potential sanctions against Russian banks. President Trump hinted at retaliatory tariffs on Canada and possible sanctions against Russian banks, which impacted oil prices, causing a decline. These geopolitical factors, along with concerns about slowing global economic growth, contributed to the drop in oil prices. Investors continue to closely monitor trade disputes and their potential impact on global energy demand. U.S. President Donald Trump signed an order to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve, which will be funded through Bitcoin confiscated in criminal or civil cases. This reserve will include 5 digital assets, including Bitcoin. The markets responded to the announcement with a rise in the value of these cryptocurrencies. The initiative aims to store Bitcoin as a long-term asset without plans for its sale. However, at the moment, Bitcoin's price has once again reached recent lows. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.